everyone, how's everyone doing? This is Aastha from Aastha's Makeup Closet. We are here today to do a nice pastel look. Again on my Instagram poll, everybody voted, not everybody, but a lot of people voted for a pastel look, and that's the trend this summer. So since we're in the heat of things in India, at least, it's so hot. So let's just do a nice pastel-y look. I'll try and match it with my clothes if I can, but something on similar lines. Maybe I'm feeling a little orange today. So let's just see, though it's not my best color to use, but I have a palette right here actually. So it's the Flamingo palette by Violet Voss. I've been wanting this and wanting to use this palette for the longest time, and it's got some beautiful shades, like beautiful. Aren't they absolutely stunning? Oh, it's raining outside. Amazing. So, a relief from the heat wave. Yes, finally. So, and I really want to use, some glitters as well. I'm not sure if I'd be using this. Oh, Pixie by Petra. I just recently got this on Nykaa. I am so excited. Or, a little more, if I want to go a little more pastel-y, then this, the Mochi palette, it's got some really nice metallic shades. So let's get into things, let's see what look we do today. So I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown Eye Sweep brush. That's what it looks like. And I'm just going to sweep in some color. I think I am going to go in with Popsicle. That is this. Oh, yeah, I'm going to go in with Popsicle. Crap, I forgot to prime my eyes. Hang on a second. Whoopsie daisy. So Sigma eyeshadow base primer. This is my favorite. I use it in every video. So I'm gonna use a little extra because we need the pigments of the pastel shades to show through. And to blend, let's do this. So I've already done my full face of makeup here. The video is gonna be up. I did the reverse foundation technique, which is something that I saw on Samantha Ravindal's video. Her friend Shaylin told her about it, so just check out that video. I'll try and link it in the description box. It was shot in I think she filmed it in 2018, but I love this technique. It's something that's used by, the foundation technique, it's used by a lot of celebrities. So, to give a softer look to the face. So that's how thing was done. So anyway, so going back with Popsicle, dust off the excess and let's do this. That's a pretty color. There's a little kickback in the pan in this palette, but I really don't care, I mean, it's powder, for God's sakes. There's going to be kickback. It's powder. Ooh, beautiful color, Popsicle. So I'm going to be doing both my eyes together. And, it's just something that I've been doing for a while. I'll speed it up, of course, I mean, if you're not into watching the whole thing. Now blend. Bobbi Brown brushes are crazy expensive, but they are so soft on the eyes. It's amazing. I mean, these are natural hair brushes. And they do lose hair. So I'm just gonna take this, I'm taking this in the crease area predominantly, a little lower than the crease. Not actually, just in the crease, not really lower. So yeah. and I am just going to blend this out a little more. So every time you're blending, just make sure you hold your brush from here, you know, so that you have all of this, less pressure on the eye, and you're just blending the color. Try not to take the color too close to the eyebrow. I've made that mistake. So basically you're left with nowhere to blend, so the color just goes into the eyebrow. So over here, I can just take it up. And no stark lines, you know, because something I like about a pastel look is that I don't want any lines. I want it to be perfectly blended. And I never set my eye base, you know, it's just one of those things. I just feel better, you know, when I know that the eye base is tacky and it's going to grab onto the shadow, and then just blend the hell out of it, you know. So maybe I can do like a purple turquoise look or something, or a purple peach. I'm still contemplating. Let's see. So now I'm going to go in with sandals, which is this color here, and I'm going to put it right in my crease. So just to darken up the crease and, you know, the outer corner. I need to find my angled brush for this, and here it is. So this is my Shiseido angle brush. They have names, but I don't remember them. I'm bad with names, really bad. So I'm gonna go in with sandals. And if anybody wondering where to get this shadow palette from, you can easily get it from Beauty Bay. They stock while it was. So, ooh, nice. This is a pretty color, very pretty color. Yeah. As you can tell, I really don't like to match my shadows to my clothes, but yeah. Kind of takes away the freedom, you know, you can always change your clothes, but do what you want on your eyes. So I'm just patting this in and taking it up into the crease, and you know, like a very softly. It's like super soft, and these brushes are crazy soft. So when you see a brush with this angle, you know, it's fantastic for the outer corner and then taking it into the crease as well. So you can tilt the brush and use the edge. And it's pretty much blended the eyeshadow for me. Yeah, cool. So now I'm going to go in with Sunbathe, and which is this color, and I'm just going to softly and gently blend out the top of the eyeshadow where I've placed it. So I didn't find the Chico water brush, I found the Morphe one. This was from the Pride collection, M513. It's like a nice fluffy brush, and this was from the Pride collection, I think, which was launched last year. So yeah, so going in with Sunbathe, tapping off the excess and just blending out the top. Notice where I'm holding my brush from. So I'm taking shadow a little higher up from the crease. So yeah, looks cool. Looks nice to me. That's called Melon, which is from MAC. And it looks like this. So it's quite gorgeous. And I'm just going to spritz my brush. Where's my packing brush? Yeah, there you go. So smoky shader brush from Zoeva 234, and I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna pack this pigment on my lid. So I'm going to first take some on my brush. Let's see. Ooh, nice. pick up some more and pat it down. I'm being very careful because I've already done my face of makeup and I don't want a pigment, you know, um, fall out of the pigment. This looks gorgeous. Onto the other side. And I'm taking the pigment that's in the cap of the container. So I basically depot all of my pigments. I put them in these containers that I got from Mochi. And makes it easy to travel with, you know, especially when you're going for a makeup job. This makes it super simple. So yeah, nice. And then I'm going to go in with Island, and I am, you know, the shade that I previously showed you, the metallic shade. I'm going to go in with Island with the same brush, and I'm going to blend it out. So Island is a little more orange. That's nice. So for the lower eyelid, I am going to do a similar sequence. So let's get some small brushes. So I'm going to start with the Bobbi Brown eye smudge brush, and I am going to take Popsicle. So I'm taking the shade Popsicle and just popping it in my lower lash line. Really soft strokes. I like to blow out my lower lash line, you know, because I've got wrinkles over there. So the best thing is you can take a MAC shadow and just blow it out. Now I'm going into sandals, and I am just going to deepen the outer edge and make sure that it connects with the top shadow as well. I've deepened the edge, and now I'm going to go in with Sunbathe with a larger brush, and I am just going to blow out my lower lash line. So I'm going to take my Morphe brush again, and I'm just going to go in with Sunbathe. So there you go. For the inner corner, I am going to take the yellow. There you go. So this is like a soft pastel look. I'm going to do the mascara and the eyebrows and all of that, and I'm going to be back. So I'm done with my mascara. I used a gel liner by Colourpop in the shade, I'll just tell you, in the shade Puppy. And I used a metal liquid lipstick by LA Girl in the shade GML862 Molten. So it's a slightly metallic lipstick. I haven't topped up my blush or anything. I think it just looks perfect, and that is the finished look. And if you like it, do let me know in the comment section, and do let me know what you'd like to see next, if you have any ideas or you would want me to cover. And if you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, and you know, let's all do makeup and be happy with makeup in this time. You know, it's just such a therapeutic thing. So here's me signing off, and all the very best to you guys, and see you in the next one.